Greetings, curious minds. Do you ever wonder what connects a seemingly simple quadratic equation to the essence of cosmic harmony? No. Well, prepare to have your perceptions shifted because today you are not just solving a math problems. We are unearthing the hidden patterns of the universe. Grab your pencil, your calculations, and perhaps a pinch of imagination. Let's dive into the quantum mechanics of SAT prep. Question. A function x is equal to the ax squared plus bx plus c passes through the points 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 10. Find the value of a plus b plus c. Let's get started. Write the system of equations. Since the function fx satisfies f1 is equal to f2 is equal 3 and f3 is equal 10. Substitute these values into the quadratic equations. For x is equal 1, f1 is equal to a in the parentheses 1 squared plus b1 and plus c is equal to a plus b plus c is equal to 4x is equal to f2 is equal 3 a squared plus b2 plus c is equal 3 4a plus 2b plus c is equal 3 4x is equal 3 f3 is equal 10 a3 squared plus b3 plus c is equal 10 9a plus 3b plus c is equal 10. Step 2. Solve the system of equations. Using equations 1, 2, and 3, solve for a, b, and c. Subtract equation 1 from equation 3 in the parentheses 4a plus 2b plus c minus in the parentheses a plus b plus c is equal 3 minus 2. So 3a plus b is equal 1. 2. Subtract equation 2 from equation 3 in the parentheses 9a plus 3b plus c minus in the parentheses 4a plus 2b plus c is equal 10 minus 3. 5a plus b is equal 7. Subtract equation 4 from equation 5 in the parentheses 5a plus b minus in the parentheses 3a plus b is equal 7 minus 1. So 2a is equal 6. So a is equal 3. Or substitute a is equal 3 into equation 4. 3 times 3 plus b is equal 1. 9 plus b is equal 1. So b is equal minus 8. 5 substitute. A is equal 3 and b is equal minus 8 into equation 1. 3 minus 8 plus c is equal 2. Minus 5 plus c minus 5 plus c is equal 2. C is equal 7. Calculate a plus b plus c are equal. This equation is equal 3 minus 8 plus 7 is equal 2. Final answer is 2. Step 1. The framework of the quadratic universe. We begin with the quadratic function fx equal ax squared plus bx plus c. Yes, a timeless equation. Deceptively simple yet boundlessly profound. Using the coordinates 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 10. We conjure 3 equations, each a potential into the mathematical ether. Step 2, the dance of the elimination and substitution. Much like electrons in atomic orbit, we eliminate and substitute variables, peeling away the layers of complexity to unveil the constants a, b, and c. Are they merely numbers or echoes of cosmic constants? Food for thought. Step 3, the grand summation. Having underneath a, b, and c, they combine them in harmony to find their sum a plus b plus c is equal to. And there it is, a simple result. Or is it? Could this sum symbolize the duality of existence, chaos, and order, 0 and infinity? Step 4, proof of harmony. We verify our findings, grounding them in logic. Every step, every solution resonates with the universal truth of mathematical clarity. Bravo, adventurers of the mind. Today, we didn't just solve a quadratic equation. We breached disciplines, connected dots, and explained our understanding. Always remember, math is not a subject, it's a journey. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the math of life. Until next time, stay curious, stay brilliant,